I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to cancel a Western Union transfer and secure a full refund. We'll look at the strict rules regarding timing, how your original payment method changes how you get paid, and what to do if the money has already been picked up. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. You just sent money through Western Union and realized you made a massive typo in the recipient's name, sent it to the wrong person, or realized too late that you are being scammed. Your cash is floating in the cloud, and you need it back in your wallet immediately. Before you do anything else, you must grasp the absolute golden rule of remittance platforms. You can only cancel and completely refund a standard Western Union transfer if the recipient has not yet picked up the physical cash or if their local bank has not finalized the deposit. Speed is your absolute #1 priority. Open the Western Union app or website and hit Track Transfer. Type in your 10-digit MTCN tracking code. If the dashboard states available for pickup or in progress, you can still pull the money back. Under the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's Remittance Rule, if you send an international money transfer from the United States, you have a strict 30-minute window from the exact second of transmission to cancel it for a 100% full refund of both the principal amount and all transactional fees, no questions asked. If the money is still uncollected, you have 3 distinct pathways to stop the transfer based on how you originally paid for it. The first is via the app or online dashboard. Log into your profile on the Western Union app or website. Go straight to your Transfer History tab, click on the specific active transaction, select Cancel Transfer, input your reason for pulling the money back, and confirm. The second is the customer care phone line. If the app dashboard glitches or freezes, immediately call Western Union Customer Care directly using their dedicated local hotline. Provide the representative with your 10-digit MTCN code, verify your identity, and request an immediate sender-initiated cancellation. If you walked into a retail storefront, grocery store, or bank branch and paid for the transfer using physical cash, you cannot cancel it online. You must physically return to that same retail location. Hand the clerk your original paper receipt and present a valid government-issued photo ID, and they will process the refund manually. When Western Union approves your cancellation, the money always re-enters your possession through your original form of payment. The original form of payment is the exact financial medium, whether credit card, debit card, bank account, or physical cash, that you initially used to fund the transaction. This can be your credit or debit card, which takes 3 to 10 business days. Bank accounts, which take 3 to 7 business days, or cash transfers, in which case the storefront clerk will hand you physical currency immediately. Once a receiver walks away from an agent window with the physical cash, standard customer service can no longer pull it back. Your only remaining option is to file an emergency fraud claim, which is an official security report filed when a sender is tricked into transferring capital to an unauthorized scammer under false pretenses. If this happens to you, click to watch this video to learn how to file a Western Union fraud claim to report a scammer and get your money back. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.